Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. Recently, I started making remix shorts. Most of them perform really well, and some of them didn't just do well, they exploded. In just 2 months, a single remix video passed 1 million views. And my remix videos combined are now closing in on 2 million total views. Even on a brand new test channel, I still get 1,100 plus subscribers in 2 months. So this isn't luck. It is a repeatable workflow. In this video, I will show you exactly how I make a remix short perform better than the rest, what to pick, what to collect, how to edit for retention, and how to make the visuals hit on every beat. I will break down the behind-the-scenes workflow. Most people skip because it is time-consuming, but it is what actually drives retention. Watch until the end. I will also tell you how to get the full document and templates I use. Let's get started. Number 1. Selection and materials. Step 1. Start with something that is already winning. Pick a viral shot or a trending song as your starting point. This part is easy. You will find them in the YouTube Shorts trend feed, or they will show up in your recommendations. For example, recently, the K-pop Demon Hunter songs have been insanely hot. Many music videos are doing 100 million plus views. So I will use Takedown as an example. Step 2. Collect materials that are directly related to your topic. Think of it as building 2 buckets. Bucket A, the official audio reference. This is your timing and rhythm guide when editing. Bucket B, visual materials that match the vibe. Official clips, behind the scenes, trailers, related content, or footage you are allowed to use. Important note: always respect copyright and platform rules. Use materials you own, have permission to use, or that are clearly allowed. If something isn't licensed for your use, don't risk your channel. Once you have your audio reference and your visual materials, you are ready for the part that actually makes videos go viral. Number 2. Editing workflow. This is where most creators lose. Some people use insane AI effects, lip sync, dance edit, all that. Good for them. I'm not built like that. I'm built for retention, fundamentals, beat locked cuts, and a workflow you can repeat. Software: Premiere Pro, Filmora, or CapCut. All of them works. Step 1. Sync your visuals to the music. Put the audio on the timeline. Expand the waveform and line up your clips. Your goal is simple. Make every cut feel like it is locked to the track. Step 2. Beat marking. This is a cheat code. Close your eyes and just listen. Mark the key beats across the entire song. The drops, the punches, the lyric hits, the transitions. Those markers become your editing roadmap.
Nice, but hideous on the inside. Whole life spinning lies, she can't hide, baby.
Step 3. Set up a vertical format. Change your sequence to 1080 x 1920. Most source videos are 1920 x 1080. So you must reframe for vertical. Now choose a layout style. Option A, fast and clean. Scale clip it down to fit and keep the subject centered. Option B, most common viral look. Duplicate the clip. Put the bottom layer as a blurred background, and keep the top layer sharp as the main focus. Option C, editing accuracy mode. Use a reference layer, smaller, top or bottom, sometimes low opacity, so you always know what's happening in the wider frame, where you crop and focus the main layer for maximum impact. Step 4. Keep the main character centered, always. If there is one character, follow them with position and scale. When they move, you move the frame. If there are multiple characters, pick the story center and switch focus when the story demands it. This takes time. I cut by scene, then I polish frame by frame. That micro adjustment what makes the edit feel professional and addictive. Step 5. Add heartbeat motion to hit the rhythm. This is one of my favorite techniques. Here is the idea. At each marker, do a tiny scale-up punch. Then come back to normal a few frames later. It creates a pulse that matches the beat. Guideline: 30 FPS is enough for most songs. For fast rap track like Take Down, 60 FPS can look even cleaner. Then just copy that keyframe pattern and paste it to every marked beat. Now the whole video feels like it is breathing with the music. Step 6. Color style to boost the premium feel. You can keep one layer as natural and apply different color looks to other layers or sections. The goal is consistency and mood, not random filters. And if one thing doesn't work, replace it. Most songs repeat patterns, so you can sweep it a better moment without breaking the rhythm.
We're turning the floor into a zoo.
Once the visuals are looked, we added one thing that can dramatically boost retention. Number 3. Captions. Captions are not optional if you want watch time. I like using auto captions. CapCut is fine. Generate captions, review them, fix mistakes, and align timing. For style, I recommended single-word pop-up captions or karaoke style captions. They keep people reading, and the reading keeps people watching. After that, export your video. This is one of the easiest way to remix content. But if you want something scalable, you want to generate your own visuals. Number 4. Advanced AI generation. When you don't have enough usable footage, or you want a repeatable system, AI helps you create fresh visuals for the remix. Here is my workflow. Step 1. Collect character and word settings. For example, for K-pop Demon Hunters, I put all the profiles into one document. Huntrix members like Rumi, Mila, Zoe. Age, height, personality, weapons, voice, and more. Even the Saja boys. Step 2. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to write a new story. For example, I created a winter sports storyline for Rumi, Mila, and Zoe. Step 3. Generate prompts in a scene sheet format. So you are not guessing, you are producing like a studio, scene by scene, shot by shot. Step 4. Generate still images with your favorite tool, Gemini AI, Midjourney, Clean, and so on. If you want character consistency, use references responsibly and keep your prompts consistent. Step 5. Turn those images into video clips. Use a video generator tool, then bring everything back into your editing workflow. Sync, markers, heartbeat motion, captions, export.
Awaken, light of the regent. Clad in the corona, the aurora answers. Solar regent, soul rebirth.
Number 5. Upload. For transferring files from PC to phone, I recommend Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload on desktop. Download on your phone. Then post. Before you publish, do a final check. Is the final beat synced perfectly? Do the captions match the lyrics and the timing? Are you using content you are allowed to use? That last one protects your channel long term. Bonus: I also uploaded a PDF version of this tutorial with a clean step-by-step process, plus project materials and templates for remixing. The full document is linked in the description. Prompt Excel template, character profiles, starter images, so you can remix faster or generate new stories for your own projects. I hope you get your own viral remix shots. If this helped you even a little, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.